Welcome to this house, one of the most expensive homes in America for rent. This is a $70 million home located in Beverly Hills. I'm here today to show you around this property that features 10 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms. Built in 2003, this estate sits on 2.5 acres of land and features incredible architecture both inside and out. Let's go and take a look. The front exterior of this home is truly breathtaking. The home has an elegant, sophisticated feel, while being very warm and inviting at the same time. From the street, you can see how grand the property is with its beautiful landscaping and gated entry. Entering into the driveway, you have this circular pattern which leads you all the way to the front door. If we look up top, you'll notice there's a second-floor balcony which has these really nice columns holding up the second floor. There's also a two-story library that we're going to check out later on in the video, but you can get a glimpse of it from the side here. Overall, this house looks like something out of a storybook. You just don't see homes like this every day. And it reminds me of one of those European palaces you might see in Italy or France. But let's now open up the doors and enter inside. Welcome to the foyer. It's very bright and airy and has this gorgeous sweeping staircase that goes all the way upstairs. To your right is the living room. I love the high ceilings and the big beams that they have up top. In the living room, you have a fireplace to one side, and then this large entertainment unit against the opposite wall. There's also plenty of space for a large sofa or even multiple seating areas in this room. This leads us into the family room, which has a more casual, comfortable feel to it. You have a second fireplace and TV setup here, along with a wet bar over there to the left. You can also notice how the floors kind of wrap around and lead you through these different rooms. Now let us head back into the main hall and check out the dining. Could easily fit 12 to 14 people if you were having a dinner party. The walls are covered with beautiful artwork, and look how high the ceilings are. They almost go all the way up to the top, and right above the table, there's this huge crystal chandelier. Let's now go down this hallway and check out the bedrooms. This will take us into the first guest bedroom. It has a nice comfy bed and a good amount of closet space on either side. Right next door is the guest bathroom. It has his and her vanities with plenty of counter space and storage below. There's also a deep soaking tub, separate shower, and beautiful tile work throughout. Back in the main hall, if we go straight back, this will take us into the owner's suite. The owner's suite is quite large. You have this sitting area to ones. Go and check out one of the closets. This one has built-in shelves and drawers and plenty of space for all of your clothes. The owner's bathroom has beautiful tile work and marble throughout. You have a large soaking tub next to the window with views outside. And then the shower is massive with multiple shower heads and beautiful glasswork. There is also a toilet room to the right, and then his and her vanities with plenty of counter space and storage below. Now let's go and check out the other side of the house. Down the hall, you have the second floor library. Look how high the ceilings are. There's so much natural light coming through those windows. Such a peaceful place where you can come and read a book. Next to the library is the second floor office. It has a beautiful view looking out into the backyard. You can see the pool and all of the landscaping. Now let's head downstairs because we have so much more to cover. The interior finishes are just unbelievable. You have beautiful hardwood flooring, high ceilings, incredible moldings throughout, and just so much natural light coming through the windows. There are two staircases in this house, so this one takes us to the lower level. Once you get downstairs, you enter into this long hallway. On the right is the movie theater. Then we have the gym straight ahead and the game room to the left. We're going to check out those rooms in just a second, but first, let's go into the gourmet chef's kitchen. The kitchen has top-of-the-line appliances and everything you need to cook up a storm. You have this large island in the center with seating around it. All of the countertops are granite and the backsplash is ceramic. There are multiple dishwashers and ovens, plenty of countertop space and storage too. Over there to the right is the breakfast nook. It has a large table with seating for 6 people. There are huge windows providing views outside. And right next to the breakfast nook is the butler's pantry. It has additional space for storage and countertop space. And then the wine cellar is just right next to that. It's a temperature-controlled wine cellar with plenty of space for hundreds of bottles. Now, let's head into the family fun zone. First, we have the game room. It has a pool table and plenty of space for a couch or chairs if you want to have a more casual hangout spot. It also opens up to the bar area. There are 2 huge TVs, plenty of seating and countertop space, and a cool design with the mirrors on the walls. Let's now go into the movie theater. It has plush seats and a huge screen. There's also a snack bar along the right wall. And if we head into the back room, this is actually the gym. It has a good amount of space with mirrors along one wall and a flat-screen TV. Also on this lower level is a full bathroom with a shower and a sauna. Now let's go and take a look outside because there's so much to cover. The backyard has a large patio space with plenty of seating areas. There's a fire pit and barbecue area. And then the infinity pool is over there to the left. If we get a little closer to the pool, you can see how it blends in with the surroundings, and then the spa is right next to it. There's also plenty of grassy space for the kids to run around. And then the outdoor kitchen is right over here. You have a grill, refrigerator, and plenty of countertop space. If we head back towards the main house, you can see the second-floor balcony that we looked at earlier. And then on the opposite side of the house is the 4-car garage. It's a tandem garage, and you can park 4 cars in here. Overall, this home has it all. A great location in Beverly Hills, amazing outdoor space, incredible finishes, and plenty of rooms for everyone to spread out. Thanks for watching my video. Check out my channel for more amazing properties.